This is my friend Kiran. He just built his first app, and on his laptop it runs perfectly. Then he moved it to the server, and it just died. And someone in there is laughing, but it works on my machine. Sound familiar? Welcome back to Kiran Tech AI. Today we're fixing this problem forever with something called Docker. Meet the team, Boxy, our container hero, and hiding over there, that's Buggy, the troublemaker. So first, why did Kiran's app actually break? See, an app is never just code. It also needs an exact Python version, exact libraries, and exact settings. Kiran's laptop has one particular setup. The server, a completely different one. Python 3.8 instead of 3.11, one outdated library. Honestly, that's all it takes. Different machine, different world. So the poor app just falls over. That's the real problem. Now the fix comes from a very old idea. Shipping. Loading ships used to be pure chaos. Sacks, barrels, crates, everything loose and everything breaking. Then someone invented the standard container. One steel box that fits any crane, any ship, any port on Earth. And years later, Docker brought that exact same box to software. So here's Boxy's promise. Stop carrying your app's pieces around separately. Instead, pack the code, the libraries, the settings, that whole messy cloud into one single box. That box is called a container. And inside it, your app always sees the exact same world. Everywhere. And Buggy absolutely hates this, because now there's nothing left for him to break. Okay, but how does Boxy know what to pack? Simple. You leave him a recipe called the Dockerfile. And it reads just like one. Start from Python 3.11, copy my app, install my libraries, then run this command. Docker follows that recipe step by step, and out comes an image. And the best part? You write the recipe once and use it forever. Now, that image is the sealed package of your app. The code, the dependencies, the configs, all frozen together. Images live on a shelf called the registry, neatly versioned. My app 1.0, 1.1, 2.0. And when you need the app running, you just pull an image off the shelf and start it. That living copy is your container. And now comes the magic part. The exact same image runs on Kiran's laptop. It runs on the staging server and up in the AWS cloud. Same box, same world inside. So it works and works and works. Build it once, run it anywhere. That's Docker's entire promise. And poor Buggy, he can't find a single crack to crawl into anymore. Now actually using Docker, just a handful of commands. Docker pull grabs an image from the shelf, and Docker run starts your container. Docker PS shows you what's running, and Docker stop shuts one down. And honestly, that right there is 90% of your first month with Docker. So why does everyone love this little box so much? Well, it's consistent everywhere, it's portable, and it's light as a feather. Every app runs in its own bubble, so one crashing container can't hurt the others. And when traffic grows, scaling up just means starting more boxes. You ship faster and you break things. Basically never. Well, almost never. All right, let's zoom out to the big picture. The Dockerfile is your recipe. The image is the packed lunch made from it. And the Docker engine is the kitchen serving it. Anywhere. So you go from raw code to a running container in minutes. The same steps every single time. Which means no more works on my machine. From now on, it works on every machine. That's the whole win. So Kiran wins, Boxy happily carries the app anywhere it needs to go, and Buggy, just look at him. Next video, we take this exact container and deploy it on the EC2 instance we rented. The full journey, start to finish. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Until then, go put your app in a box. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more Doodle explainers. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.